Have you seen the new customization features in Microsoft Edge? Let me show you 3 that will take your browsing experience to a whole new level.
Did you know you can now switch from horizontal to vertical tabs in Microsoft Edge? Vertical tabs provide an efficient way to manage tabs, see more tabs at once, and reduce browser clutter, while horizontal tabs provide a more traditional browsing experience. To turn on vertical tabs, click the ellipse or the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner of the Edge browser, and then scroll down to Settings. Then click on Appearance. Then scroll down to the Customize toolbar menu. Then click the Turn On for Show Vertical Tabs for all current browser windows. You can also use the Windows hotkey of Control, Shift, and comma to toggle between vertical and horizontal tabs. Now you can still manage your tabs just like you would in the horizontal view. To give your browser a more aesthetic appeal, try using a dark or light mode to find your preferred style. This preference affects the appearance of new tabs, pages, dialogues, and other menus. You can also select an optional color theme to add to your preferred style. To enable dark mode and themes, click on the ellipse or the 3 dots in the upper right-hand corner of the Edge browser. Then scroll down to Settings, click Appearance, then click the Dark tile. This will change your current browser and all the new tabs associated with it. You can also choose a color theme that will apply to your tabs, pages, and menus. Go ahead and select one that you like. I'll choose the Cool Breeze theme. You can now transform your words into custom browser themes using the AI theme generator. This is by far my favorite feature. This feature is not found in the settings, so you must be signed in with a Microsoft account. Here's how it works. Open your browser and search for AI Theme Generator. Then click the appropriate Microsoft link. This will open a new browser window. Next, click the Create a Theme button. Now you can describe exactly what you want and the AI will do the rest. I'm going to describe something like pug puppies playing in the snow. And after a few seconds, voila, pug puppies playing in the snow. Let's try another one. How about sitting on a beach, watching the sunset while holding a drink? Now that's pretty awesome. Once you have the one you want, click the Apply theme, and now your Edge background is AI customized.
So Microsoft is finally starting to come out with some cool new features. Let me know in the comments below what features you found that I haven't mentioned in this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe so you're aware of when new videos like this one are posted. Thanks for watching.